Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. First we draw a circle. The head of butterfly. Next, we draw two curved lines to draw the body part of butterfly. Here, we draw wings of butterfly. Total we draw 4 number of wings. Lastly, we decorate it. We divide the body part to draw a few lines into it. Here we complete the head. Pink color. Blue color. Green color. Red color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Red color. Red color. color. Yellow color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.